To replace the short mast for transporting the unit, begin by taking out the top bolt from the base of the mast. And with some help, carefully lower the mast with the attached light heads toward the ground. Loosen the hand bolt and remove the light head assembly from the mast. Once the light head is removed and set aside, remove the bottom bolt from the base of the mast to detach it from the unit. Replace the short transport pole and place the bolts through the top and bottom holes. Use the spacers supplied with the pole and the base shown here. Once both bolts are tight, grab the light head assembly and attach it to the top of the pole. Tighten the hand bolt. Tidy up any cables. And the tower is ready for transport. The same steps apply to the LED version of this light tower series.